Each log entry progresses through distinct states, with failed transitions triggering automatic retries. In production, these systems reduce storage costs by 85% through intelligent tiering. Crucially, archival operations run in separate resource pools, often during low traffic periods, to ensure zero impact on live log ingestion and maintain 99.9% uptime. The system is designed for horizontal scalability, allowing individual components to scale independently to handle terabytes of data daily. We've covered a lot today. You now understand the critical role of intelligent historical data archiving in modern enterprises. We discussed how the enterprise data lifecycle dictates storage tiering, moving data from hot to cold tiers based on access patterns to optimize costs. We also explored the power of intelligent compression, adapting algorithms to data types for maximum efficiency, and the game-changing metadata-first architecture for lightning-fast searchability without touching the raw archives. Finally, we touched upon the key system components and vital production insights, like cost optimization and ensuring no impact on live systems. Now, for a quick self-assessment, considering a large-scale e-commerce platform, what are two distinct benefits of implementing a metadata-first archiving strategy for user behavior logs